Know your enemy. The only way to know your enemy and protect yourself from his whispers and attacks is to be aware of your thoughts and live in the present moment. If I have practiced that one thing, and if I have grown in these 5 years after DYS in my life, it's this. Being aware has made me realize I am not one, I am two. Being conscious of the thought in the head has helped me respond rather than react. And I have discovered myself of being what I never knew. It made my life stable and peaceful. Not that I have become a saint, but yes, I fall and I get up fast. And now I enjoy these whispering moments of my enemy. Alhamdulillah.